Hey traders, it's Joe here. I'm going to do a quick closing read for yesterday and a quick pre-market analysis for today. So yesterday was a wild day, obviously. We had really strong internals and that put tension up from the get-go pretty quickly. By 11 o'clock, it had taken out bearish structure. You can see here it quickly tested under zero and tension was able to get through zero, no problem. But we had the XLC and XLK sectors of the SPY become very, very, very negative. Obviously, the tech giants, Google, Apple, Facebook, Amazon, had really, really bad days. And that really weighed on the price. But other sectors were doing quite well. And obviously, the small caps did very well because they didn't have any of the tech weightings to drag them down. So with that said, tension closed at minus 21%, and we have a gap up today. Now let's take a look here on the micro level, and I think that will give us a little bit more clues about today. So the last group to get tested was the bulls. You can see here with velocity, this red line. Now velocity measures the momentum with the McClellan oscillator. And you can see as it tests below zero once, twice, the bull sneakily bought the test of zero. And you can see they bought it up once, came down again, they bought it up twice, and it was a pretty significant buy into the close there. And you can see that tension was going above zero. So with that said, we have a gap up, and that's going to push tension even higher. To me, this really, really favors bullish risk. So I'm going to be bullish today. I think the bulls establish themselves in the market. I think daily tension by the open is going to become positive. Now, this is not a bullish forecast saying the bearish market that we're in right now is over. But for the short term, the 1 to 3 day forecast, tension is going to be bullish. I'm going to be bullish, and I'm going to be trading with the bulls. So obviously we have to look at the other side of the market. I mean, it's been a very crazy market. You can see that we've had very violent moves up and very violent moves down throughout the day, and it makes trading very, very difficult. And it also makes analysis very, very difficult. So we have to look at the other side, and the other side is going to be if the bulls do not buy bearish ideas and the bears they just step out of the way, then I am going to be thinking like a bear. So you have to have your head on a swivel. You have to have your, you have to have your stop. The ranges are going to be big, so you might want to have a larger stop and just kind of scale down your size a little bit to compensate for that. And you just have to have your head in a swivel and do not marry a narrative. So just to recap, tension shot through zero. It took out structure. We did see bulls actually come into the market. The only thing that really held the market down yesterday was the tech giants. So I think we are going to be bullish. All right, everybody, see you in the room. Good luck and take it easy.